In this tutorial, you'll learn how to easily upload and work with XLS files in Canva. To get started, select the Magic Layers feature to enhance your workspace for handling spreadsheet files. Next, enter a search query in the Search Anything field to quickly locate your file or tool, making it simple to find what you need in Canva. Now, focus on key data columns like quantity sold and product names. Select any essential entries, such as unit price or item description, to review or edit your spreadsheet before moving forward. Dismiss any protected view warnings so you can freely edit and work with your data. Once your table is ready, use the Actions button to access options for working with your uploaded XLS data. Here, type what you want to create or adjust text settings using the sliders. Then scroll to see more options and content available in your file. You can select or resize elements like product descriptions and adjust their size to fit your design needs. By selecting fields such as category or product ID, you can highlight your data for fast edits or analysis. Open the Actions menu to discover additional functions to further customize how your XLS file is used in Canva. Lastly, personalize your document by choosing fonts, adjusting font size, or changing text colors to enhance readability or match your style preferences. You've learned how to upload XLS files and work with their data in Canva.